that nurse in there is very protective. You know I can hear you. Huh? What are you doing up there? Oh, just eavesdropping. I love it. Don't you? I'm not sure. Well, I better get going now. Wait for me! Wait for me! Oh, poor Cocker Spaniel. She could, be totally living the life like us. Yeah, she could totally be doing that. Yeah, she can totally be doing that. Ow. Yes, she totally could be doing that instead of being chased by that nurse. Wait, watch out! Here she comes with the nurse. Oh, ah! Oh, I'm sorry, ladies. Ah! Yeah, us cats are better. We didn't fall. Yeah, come on. Ugh, come on. I hurt. Yeah, who's last? Ugh, I'm coming. I guess the littler ones need more time because there's a kitten and a ladybug. We're here. Stop. Is the plan all settled and ready? Yes. Now, we must be very sneaky. What do you mean, very sneaky? Look. Squishies are talking to each other! 911! Help me! She will be going in for prison. There's nowhere to run. There isn't any. Talking cupcake! Breathe. No breathing now. Oh, they're one of the bigger squishies. What do I have to say? Cupcake friends! We're two kinds of different species, so I don't want to be friends. We need as many squishies on our team as we can get. Yay! All right. Go for that little gecko thing. I got nail polish on the back of my head. That's why it's red. Cool. Very cool. So, what have you been up to lately? Oh, a lot lot of things. I've been drawing a lot. Hey, did you see something? Nah. Nah. What?